Tom, you've seen not only Europe, but even in China and other places around the world, how tight things are. Could that ever happen here? Could people in the United States see a tripling of energy prices in midwinter, or that could never happen here?
Well, Joe, you can never say never, I guess. I think it is way more unlikely. I think what we're seeing right now, and the real challenge in America, is this notion of energy and transition. As big and as complex as that issue is, we have kind of these factors at play. A lot more renewables coming into bear. As a matter of policy, a whole lot less coal, which can run virtually 100% of the time. And then as a result, natural gas under pressure. There's this interesting number, 50%. Investment is down 50% in things like E&P and pipes. Exports are up about 50%. That's liquefied natural gas. And as a result, surprisingly, or maybe not surprisingly, at least in the spot, prices are up about 50%. Now, we think that is temporary because the markets will adjust. But the facts are, heading into the winter, storage is down about 5.5%, and the rate of injection to replace the below normal storage is down 8%. A lot of bets on weather, all that, but man, oh man, it is a very interesting time. Market structure is a big deal. In this, about half the United States is in a market where it is integrated and regulated. And the notions of making, moving, and selling energy are all under one responsibility. For us in the Southeast, it's Alabama Power, Georgia Power, et al. In the so-called organized markets, those that are deregulated, I can only point to Texas and Winter Storm Uri. Those are what they call energy-only markets, and there really is no compensation for resilience and for storage and a whole variety of other factors, which I think in the long run cause energy prices to be more stable. And you can get into problems when you're in the tails of weather or supply disturbances.
So how much of Southern Company is coal? How much of the U.S. is coal? And the reason I ask that is because somehow the global electricity is still 40%. So we're way down. Are you in single digits in most of I think in the United States, is it teens?
Yeah, we're not yet in single digits, but we're headed that way. Before I became chairman of Southern, I guess we were 70% energy from coal. We're down last year, I think, to 17%. But the unintended consequence of high gas prices is that coal becomes more economic. And so my sense is in recent weeks, our coal production has bumped up above 20%. Now, how long that'll persist, I don't know. But what are we now? Gas prices are $5.35 or so, been as high as $6, a little above. Now down to about $4 is what's projected in the month ahead. We'll see.